News that's coming in a day after BJP announced Tashi Gyaltsen as its candidate for Ladakh's solitary Lok Sabha seat. Sitting MP Jamyang Sering Namgyal expressed his resentment. He said BJP replaced him without providing transparent and compelling justification. He further said the party workers and his supporters were from across Ladakh had gathered together, have voiced their disapproval with the decision. Sahil joins us back again, but first let's listen into the reaction.
और जितना आज यहाँ पे भारतीय जनता पार्टी का ग्लोरी है, मैं समझता हूँ कि उसमें कम से कम मेरा भी एक योगदान जरूर रहा है। उसके साथ साथ कल मैंने पार्टी के जो वरिष्ठ नेतागण को ये भी पूछा कि कहाँ भूल चूक रह गए, क्या पार्टी के आइडियोलॉजी से बाहर गया या संसद में जो है परफॉर्मेंस की कमी रहा या कहीं घोटाला करने का कोई इल्ज़ाम लगा या किसी के साथ मिसबिहेव होने का हुआ। मतलब कुछ समझ नहीं पा रहा है। ये केवल मेरे बात नहीं है, जितने भी यहाँ समर्थक आए हैं सभी लोगों का यही कहना है कि ये ऐसा डिसीजन एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था। क्या ये सीट हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी रिटेन कर पाएंगे, ये एक बहुत बड़ी सवाल खड़ा हो जाता है।
Right, and Sahil joins us again. Sahil, what are we expecting at this point? There seems to be a show of strength repeatedly by the lone MP, in fact, of Ladakh, who was from the BJP and has been dropped as a candidate in the Lok Sabha elections. So how is this really going to go forward?
Well, first of all, this incumbent MP from Ladakh, Mr. Jamyang Namgyal, in fact, is raising questions that whether BJP really can retain this Ladakh seat after the decision, in fact, after he was dropped. A few days back, the Bharatiya Janata Party announced candidate for the Ladakh Lok Sabha constituency, Tashi Gyaltsen, who currently, in fact, heads the Ladakh Leh Autonomous Hill Development Council, was announced as candidate. And then this incumbent member parliament arrived in Leh yesterday, and he was greeted, in fact, warmly greeted by his supporters, while he, in fact, spoke at length. Appeared confused and in fact said that he was not expecting this in fact news and decision from the party leadership, given the fact that he is the person who in fact was high on the grounds that after 2019 he in fact acted as a poster boy for Bharatiya Janata Party in the region, touched every corner. In fact, we have accessed the panel recommendation letter where in fact the Bharatiya Janata Party unit in Ladakh had favored him to be in fact fielded again from this Lok Sabha constituency, saying that he has around 67 support base. He has worked honestly in the area, but now this decision has come from the Bharatiya Janata Party, and he has made it very clear that he will go to his supporters and meet and discuss and then see they in fact decide the next in fact the future course of action, whether he will go and contest as an independent candidate or he will side with the Bharatiya Janata Party and support the candidate that has been announced by the party for this Lok Sabha constituency. But we are picking up from the sources that it's very unlikely that the incumbent member parliament from Ladakh will decide against the party wishes. He has in fact disapproved the party's decision of dropping him. His supporters have also in fact vented out the same sentiment. He is upset with the party, but it is very unlikely that he will decide against the party and contest the elections as an independent candidate that we are getting from the sources. But at the moment, the Bharatiya Janata Party incumbent member parliament from Ladakh is upset with the decision, given the fact that he was in fact hailed and widely praised for his fiery speech in the Lok Sabha post the abrogation of Article 370, and he was the one who stood by the Bharatiya Janata Party, defended Prime Minister Narendra Modi for in fact abrogating the Article 370 and bifurcating Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories. But what we are witnessing in Ladakh at the moment is that from last many months, the people of Ladakh, the in fact important bodies in the Ladakh are up against against the central government, against the Bharatiya Janata Party, because there were in fact demands, and still people in Ladakh are demanding the inclusion of Ladakh into sixth schedule of the Constitution of India, and in fact restoration of statehood. That somewhere that's not as per the people is not being heard, and it appears that the sentiment is against Bharatiya Janata Party. And the same question was raised by the incumbent member parliament, saying that whether in fact after this decision, when a significant section of party workers are upset with the decision, will that in fact help Bharatiya Janata Party to retain this Lok Sabha seat?
Right. All right. Thank you very much, Sahil, for joining us at this point.